Hello there. This is my first video on YouTube on Scratch tutorials. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a catch game on Scratch where you have a bowl and you have to catch whatever object you want. So first let's remove the scratch card. Yeah, we don't need you. Now we have to add the item that we're going to be catching with. Let's pick bowl. So this should be good. Also, let's pick a background. You can pick whatever background you want. It's really up to you. The looks you can design it however you want. Let's just make this a bit bigger. Hmm. So we will first design the move. How is it going to move from left to right? When you press the left key, it goes to the left. If you press the right key, it goes to the right. So let's add a forever loop. So I'll continuously loop the code if and if. So I'll be checking all the time if either the left arrow is pressed or the right arrow. So what we want to add is key, not space, left arrow. We would want to change, let's x, change x by negative 7.5. Now it's negative because on code, yeah, you have to learn about your coordinates first. So basically, negative means in the left direction, and changing it by a positive number, meaning will be the right direction. So let's duplicate this and make this right arrow. And we will be changing by 7.5, not the negative version. Also, let's just go to x 0 y negative 145. So it always, when you click the green flag, go at this very position here. So let's test it out. See, it's working. Now let's add the collectible. Let's choose. Yeah, I think we should choose apple. You can choose whatever you want. And let's make it a bit smaller. Now we want to, let's just put it as high as we can. Okay, so this, we can just make it 0 because I just like it like this. So we want to go to x0 y 191 and hide. So when we click it, the apple is not there because you can't see it. I put the hide block underneath the when clicked block. So let's see it again. Now we want it to go down, like fall down to the ground, and we want to catch it. So let's make a forever loop, meaning that I'll continue forever. And let's make a repeat. two block. Repeat two that two that two. Oh my God, I can't pronounce two times. We will want to make a clone of myself, and we will wait for, let's say, 1 second, and add some time bit in between. So we want to put when I start as a clone, repeat until. So I'll continue falling to the ground until it's either touch on the bottom edge or touch on the bowl. So we will do repeat until. We would put our or block, meaning that it could be two things until it stops falling, either touching bowl or let's see how far down this can go. Or X position, actually Y position. So basically Y position below, let's say negative 189. So let be negative 190, then it will disappear. So it'll be negative 189. Also, let's put a show block so you can see it falling. And let's change its Y by negative 7.5. Negative means go down, positive means go up. Yeah, that's how Y and X's work. And what we want to do is we want to put a if block, and we want to see if it was touching the bowl. And if it were to be touching the bowl, we will make a variable called score, and we will change score by 1, and we will delete this clone. So let's see. As you can see, the game's working. Now the apple just continuously falling from the center, and you can leave your bowl all day. So we want to randomize it. So let's show our apple again. Let's see how far we can go. How far we can put it onto the. Yeah, so let's make it set x to random, pick random negative 240 to 240. So as you can see, now the apple falls in random positions, and you made your first scratch game, I guess, if you didn't make any other projects. And as you can see, as they fall to the ground, they disappear. Okay, so now here's the last problem. If we click again, our score doesn't reset. So what we want to do is put under the when clicked block, set score to 0, and as you will see it will reset. So yeah guys, that's all for this video and your first scratch game, I guess. I guess you took some other tutorials, but I don't know. But anyways, guys, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.